Good morning, class. Welcome to week 14. I hope you all had a great weekend. Sorry if I sound a little raspy, but I came down with something over the weekend, so excuse my voice. But I wanted to get this recording out to you all today. And so week 14, we are moving along. Believe it or not, we have 5 more weeks left. Okay, so please make sure that you are moving along with the course. This week we are exploring careers and defeating the imposter syndrome. Okay, so I want you all, if you don't know what imposter syndrome is, I really want you to look at our articles. Pretty much it's we have 3 articles here. And imposter syndrome feels like you don't belong, like you feel like you don't belong, like it's something that's bad, that when you accomplish something you feel like it's not right, like you feel like you don't deserve it, and when you actually do. And so it's what we call the imposter syndrome, and it really impacts our first generation college students. So I want you to take a look at those 3 articles there, and then I want you to write in an imposter syndrome letter to yourself, okay? And so here is an article I want you to read, and I want you to write a 1 to 2 page letter where you will break up with all of your academic insecurities, meaning that you will let those insecurities go. And so, for example, if you perceive yourself as a bad writer, you're going to let that go. If you perceive yourself as a bad student, you're going to break up with that insecurity. And I want you to, and these are just some examples, but I want you to be intentional, thoughtful, and detailed in how you approach this assignment. I'm going to be the only one that reads this letter, but I want you to respond to this prompt, right? And so, take a look at this. It's 10 points, and make sure that you submit that. And then you have a career coach assignment and then your video discussion board. So let's take a look at the career coach assignment. Here you are to click here and then go to 3 areas here that you find interesting. And then once you completed this, respond to the questions. So select 3 interest areas. So if you like kinesiology or whatever that may be, so you are to select 3 of these and take a look at it. Look at what they are, view the interest area and explore it, right? And then I want you to answer the questions for these here, okay? And that would be your career report. And then lastly, you have your video discussion board, which is fostering a validating classroom and career exploration, okay? So I want you to read this article here, and then I want you to respond to these questions here, okay? So looking at this here, and then skip, and then right here, yeah, looking at academic invalidating model and academic validating model. So I want you to look at these 2 columns, right? And so read the following summary table. So I want you to look at the right column, items 1 through 16, right? This column here. And then I want you to compare these with the left column, okay? And so then answer the questions here and your video response. So that's all I have for today. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. If not, have yourselves a great week, and I'll see you all on the next. Take care.